Welcome to Smart Business Show for June 27th. So I was reminded this week of how important rest is. Even just today, I was reminded how important rest is as I see a picture in the show notes. I'll try to put an overlay on the video right here for those on YouTube. Where I read this afternoon sitting at the river, and I pulled up my Kindle and I read for a while, and I sent some emails and did some journaling and just some organizing of my business. And we're sitting there, and whatever your spiritual belief is, I'd say for me it's like feeling my soul resting. And a friend later on be like, oh yeah, but they don't have coffee there because I often work at coffee shops. And I was like, yeah, but they had that deep kind of soul rest. When I got up, I just deep breath and felt not cleansed, I don't know, just felt ready to go and ready to tackle stuff. And after I guess a normal morning, getting up and getting the kids ready, getting up, working, and then getting the kids ready, and then moving on to doing my sitting out there and working. I was out there for about an hour and a half or 2 hours, sitting at the river and relaxing. And so I find that you need to find that time in the outdoors, or I like the outdoors, and that works where I am, or just somewhere to achieve quiet. I try to do that every Friday anyways, just to sit quietly with no deadline and do some reading or do whatever I want. That's my goal. I'm actually about to head up next week. I head out with my wife on our 15th anniversary trip. We're going to head out on Saturday, and we're going to head out to another chunk of BC, and we're going to rest. We're going to relax. We have three full days just to relax and do whatever we want. We'll ride a bit, we'll probably run a bit, we'll hang out and relax, play pool a bit because we have a pool table in our room. And during that time, I'll read, I got it beside me, I'll show you for those on video. I'll read Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams, and I'll do no work. I won't check my email, I won't check anything, I won't check RSS feeds. I'll just rest and I'll work, and not work. Because you need those times to recharge. It's funny, I was talking to my friend Daniel recently, and he was talking about, even in the midst of how when business is tough, that how important it is to rest. And they've always prioritized a week vacation or 2 weeks vacation because it's so important, and it seems so countercultural to what we do in North America. He's from the UK. Hi Daniel, if you're listening to this. And most of the American people in the coaching group, you can find that on my site, on the shop under boot camp, where you can join coaching. Most of the people there were saying like, oh, I haven't taken vacation in a long time. And then a lot of the Europeans were saying how important vacation was, which was just an interesting mix to watch. So I'll be doing next week. I hope that you get some vacation, and that you get to relax, and you get some time away too, because it's super important for you. So enjoy some relaxing. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy taking a break this weekend. I know I never got as much work done when I tried to cram in on the weekends as I do now. I don't work weekends at all. I don't work evenings at all, really, except for today. I'm going to record 2 videos right now, so I don't have to do it next week. This will be the only evening I work this week, just to record a couple videos and have them uploaded to YouTube and get the audio ready for the podcast version of it too. So take your rest. You just can't do good work unless you're well rested. Clients are paying for your 100% attention. I think I've said this a lot. I keep encountering people who don't believe it. So I'm going to keep saying it over and over and over, how important rest is if you want to do good work. So take a break. Don't work tonight. Don't work this weekend. Just read a good book, go for a walk, hang with your kids, do something that's entirely unrelated to work. Have a good one.